Witch and wizard will stay away from you forever if you try this simple assignment.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà ìgbàgbọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n iná ṣe mọ̀ fún.
Witch and wizard will stay away from you forever if you try this simple assignment. It's very, very simple and very, very effective. If you can eat this egg once in a year, wizard will stay away from you. And if anyone is trying to send attack, you understand, it's not going to work on you by the grace of Almighty God. What you need is bitter leaf. You need fresh bitter leaf, and you need egg. One egg and a fresh bitter leaf. But if you can't find fresh bitter leaf over there, maybe you have a dried bitter leaf, you can also use it, but there's a way, you understand. So these two combination, if you eat this egg, my brother, my sister, if they send attack to you, it's not going to affect you, and it will turn the attack, it will turn it to good luck. You never see that kind of thing before? When someone is wishing you to die, or when someone is wishing you bad luck, when someone is wishing you bad luck, and the bad luck now turn to good luck, this combination is perfect, tested and trusted. You can try it today. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Wenje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to quickly share with you how to use egg and bitter leaf. Egg and bitter leaf to for witch and wizard protection. And if anyone is trying to send attack, maybe through witch or wizard, it's not going to affect you, and the attack will not turn to good luck for you by the grace of Almighty God. Your enemy, they are waiting for your downfall. You understand? They are sending attack, they are sending a bad luck to you, and the bad luck will not turn to good luck by the grace of Almighty God. So try it today, and you share me your testimony tomorrow. So what you need one egg. You need one egg. So if you want to use dried bitter leaf, there's a way you can use it, right? But instruction said use fresh bitter leaf. You understand? So you need bitter leaf. You need bitter leaf. The one that is coming out newly. If you're a woman, you need 7. If you're a man, you need 9. You understand? So you are going to open this egg. You can look for something like sharp objects. Make hole on this egg, and you insert all this leaf. You can fold them. You need small one that is coming out nearly. Are you with me? Put all the leaf in the egg and put it in a nylon. So boil this egg. Boil it very well. When it is well boiled, you understand? Remove all the shell. But before you eat this egg, you need to naked yourself. You remove every cloth from your body. You understand? You can stand, you can eat it in your private room. You understand what I'm saying? So you are going to eat this egg alone. And don't bite the egg. Put the egg in your mouth and you chew it. You eat it, you swallow it. You understand? And you can eat it in the night before you sleep. You can also eat it in the morning. You can boil this egg in the morning and you eat it in the night. You understand? Or you boil it in the night, you eat it in the morning. Are you with me? But before you eat it, remove everything from your body, your wristwatch, your chain, your clothes. You understand? Say your intention and you eat this egg once. Eat it once. Don't bite it. It's not good. Eat it very well. And after you eat it, you can drink whatever thing you like. You can drink on it. You understand? It's very simple and very, very effective. You can be doing it once in a year. Once in a year. By the grace of Almighty God, if anyone is trying to send you attack, or that person is wishing you a death, or they are sending bad luck to you, their bad luck will not turn to good luck for you. By the grace of Almighty God, people will gather to celebrate you. And after this assignment, many people will call you and show you favor by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. And if you want to use powder, dried bitter leaf. So you have to select 9 for men, 7 for women. You understand? You powder it very well. Open this egg and you put collect the egg in a plastic rubber. Collect the egg in a plastic rubber. Then add the powder to that egg. Mix it very well. Put it in the nylon and you boil it with water. You can eat it. You understand? But if you want to use fresh one, you have to put the leaf in the egg. I think you understand what I'm saying. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow the simple instruction. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Please, if you love this video, to like this video. And as you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè tí ayé mọ̀ sí Wénjẹ́. Lórí ètò yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ nǹkan tí a gbé dání tá a mọ̀ sí, a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣírí ìwé àtẹ̀gbò láwọn nǹkan kéékèèké báyìí. Ẹ̀rí ọlọ́ọ̀bá tó fi agbára sí ara ìwé tó sì fi sí ara egbò. Ó dá ó pín káàkiri àgbáyé ni. Ọ̀nà tí o bá mọ̀ tó lè máa fi tún ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀dá ṣe. Ẹlòmíì dẹ̀ sì wà tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó ń dún mọ́ni láti máa fi ba ìgbésí ayé èèyàn jẹ́, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká bá wọn dédìí yẹn. Ìta máa wá lónìí ni bí wọ́n bá ń ṣe aburú síyàn tọ́lọ́run máa ń sọ di rere mọ́yàn lọ́wọ́, tàbí tí àwọn ọ̀tá bá ń gbèrò pé kí nǹkan èèyàn bàjẹ́, kàkà kí nǹkan yóò fi máa bàjẹ́ Ọlọ́run máa fi lékun fún yàn ni. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Wọ́n ní adùn ló ń gbẹ̀yìn olúwúrò. Àwọn ọ̀tá yín ni máa ní korò, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ máa ní ìgbẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ máa rẹ́yìn ọ̀tá yín ò ní rẹ́yìn yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ṣé rí ọwọ́ ewúro tó ṣe ń jáde bọ̀ yìí, ọkùnrin yóò nídìí 9, obìnrin yóò nídìí 7. A wá lu orí ẹyin yìí, a wá kí ewé yẹn bọnú ẹ̀. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. A fi sínú nylon kan, a wá sè pẹ̀lú omi gbóná. Tó bá ti jiná, a lè jẹ lálẹ́, a lè jẹ láàárọ̀. A bó èpo ẹyin yìí, a bọ ara lẹ̀ sí owó ọmọlúwàbí, gbogbo nǹkan tó wà lára wa a bọ́lẹ̀. A wá ju ẹyin sí ẹnu, a jẹ lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà, gbọ́dọ̀ máa gé jẹ. A jẹ tí ó kúnná lẹ́nu wa, a gbé mi. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ewúro gbígbẹ la rí, ewúro gbígbẹ tá a bá rí yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá ewúro gbígbẹ. A lè lọ̀ tàbí ká wá iye 9 tàbí 7, ká wá lọ̀ kó kúnná. Ká wá ju ẹyin sínú nylon kan, ká bu powder ewúro yẹn, ká bu lé lórí, ká ṣèkì ẹ̀ papọ̀. Ẹ má fi iyọ̀ sí o. ẹ dì sínú nylon ẹ wá sè kó jiná, tó bá ti jiná ẹ jẹun náà bẹ́ẹ̀ agbára Ọlọ́run. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, gbogbo aburú tán bá ń rò sí tiwọn ní ó máa jábúrò, ìkorò ní ó máa jẹ́ tiwọn torí pé ẹ ti jẹ kóró, ẹ̀yin adùn sí ní ń gbẹ̀yìn ewúro, ìkorò ní ó máa jẹ́ tọ̀tá yín. Gbogbo gbàkígbà tán bá ti rí ń rò burúkú sí wọn, ìkorò ní ó máa bá wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni la fẹ́ sọ pé ẹ má ròyàn níbi, ẹ má robi sí yàn, ẹ má wò yàn wò pé kẹ́ni bó ti ẹ ti ń lọ ẹ kó tiẹ̀ mọ́ wọlé mọ́, kò dáa, ní dààmú lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èmi lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kó Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́, ewé á jẹ́, ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà mi gbàgbọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́, La ilaha illallah, Alawalu, Alakiru, Asọhiru, Abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásíkúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n.